Project Inwood today, boys. Gonna try to get some stuff done around here. Oh dear. Oh. Holy shit. What happened? Oh, I just got a fucking toke big time.
Oh man. Right from the dog?
Oh yeah.
Oh, isn't it?
Oh wow. That's awesome.
Oh, gasoline. Very quick, let me load up the smoke now.
Put a little ancient high performance down the carbonator there.
Oh yes.
Right.
Oh, you're throwing it straight in the carb.
Right.
Oh yeah.
Just lights off like a cigarette. Oh Lord. Give her the crocatini.
Is that just a Dodge thing, or there's the rollers just decide they want to come off?
Well, this one was all took apart. Right?
Oh.
Just holds on to the screw. The guy fucking couldn't, you know, oil the door so the door won't open very hard. Did you get a shot of me crashing?
I was filming you the whole time. I was just trying to walk slow and easy. And...
Like I had to make a quick decision, like, you know, what am I going to hit? I thought I hit those tires. I'm like, oh, the front end is just going to crush right in. So I had to, and then it just still wasn't stopping after running over all the stuff. I'm like, man, I don't want to like run into stuff. Like, stop.
Yeah.
Stop. Like, man. Oh, look at this. Their limited warranty does not cover loss of time, inconvenience, loss of use of the vehicle, towing fees, hotel or phone bills, or incidental or consequential damage. Damage or premature wear due to road hazards, wreck, collision, vandalism, overloading, improper installation, customer installed attachments. Holy fuck. Just fucking...
So basically, no matter what happens to it,
you buy this, there is no warranty.
Yeah, yeah.
That's close enough.
Yeah.
Go down here.
Okay. Yeah, those fucking A's are on it.
Ah, hey, potatoes. Ah.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh fuck. Yeah. Don't fucking wreck it back there.
Oh, too late. Ah. Oh. I felt the rain. That's a nice trailer. You should, by the sounds of it, or the looks of it. Oh, what do we got for level? Still low on that side.
A little tiny bit.
We're like a 16th of a 97th of the way there.
16th of 97?
Yeah,
Oh,
almost done. Hey?
Mathematically, that makes sense.
Undo the chain. Or watch your fingers. Watch your fingers. Okay. so much better.
Oh, yeah.
Look how much wider this is.
Oh, definitely.
Some fantastics. Well, that's her, boys. We'll just, move the container over there and shimmy the other logs out from under. Color cigarette. You love cigarettes?
I love cigarettes.
Yeah. Big time. Look at that, boys. That's freaking awesome. Next agenda is going to be opening up the fence over here and putting a gate there and having a throughway. And I can park my truck and trailer there, and I can park my other truck and trailer there. That'd be awesome.